This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the gearbox safe to work on. Disconnect the battery 12V, chock the wheels, and raise the car on stands. Once done, remove the shift linkage and any engine covers that block access, so you can see and reach the gearbox bolts. Drain the gearbox fluid into a sealed container. You should expect about 2-4L depending on model. Doing this now prevents contamination and gives you a dry, clear workspace, so make sure to label parts and fasteners as you remove them. You'll now separate the gearbox from the engine. Support the transmission with a jack, then unbolt the crossmember and disconnect both drive shafts or half shafts. Once the bell housing bolts are out, ease the gearbox rearward and lower it slowly. A tilted input shaft damages synchronizers, so move with care. With the gearbox out, split the case and inspect gears, synchros, bearings, and seals. Look for scoring, chipped teeth, or metal filings. If you find excessive wear, replace the damaged components rather than patching. You reassemble by installing new seals, bearings, and gaskets, then mating the cases with clean surfaces. Use the factory torque sequence and values. Once mounted, reconnect the shift linkage and drive shafts, refill with the correct gearbox fluid, and bleed the hydraulic clutch if present. On first startup, cycle through gears slowly to confirm engagement. If you still hear grinding or experience slipping, stop and recheck clutch adjustment, linkage alignment, and synchronizer condition. Often a small misalignment or a worn synchro is the actual cause, not the fluid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.